Looney Farm Guy here, and this is Barn and Workshop by Radix Games on Farming Simulator 25. It's for all platforms, PC, Mac, and console. I'm on a PS5 Pro here on the Four Fields map, and this is a set of two buildings, a shed and a workshop. The workshop, or sorry, we'll start with the shed. Shed's here. There it is. Now, you need to be aware that this is going to be, if you're on console, as I am, 45 slots on console. So there's that. Then under tools, there is the workshop. This one is a staggering 71 slots on console. Now, if you don't care about slot counts, or if you just don't have that many mods on your map, then you don't have to worry about it. But just thought you'd be aware of that. Other than that, they are highly detailed. That's probably where all the memory slots are going. Light switch here. Yeah, very, very highly detailed. Can't knock it for that. Lots of decoration. Same with the workshop here. We have a light switch. We have lots of decoration inside. There it is. You can repair or customize a vehicle. Yeah. So, there you have it, folks. Barn and Workshop. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.